Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Last week my little pressure cooker experiment worked out so well that I thought we would take it for one more spin, and then we won't do pressure cooking for a while. But today we are going to make a double chocolate pressure cooker pudding. This recipe is pretty easy. For the ingredients, you need cream, heavy cream, whipping cream, milk, vanilla, sugar, salt, eggs, and chocolate. Now it's double chocolate because I'm using semi-sweet morsels and extra dark. Because as far as I'm concerned, if it's not dark chocolate, it's not chocolate. So anyway, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, and of course, as always, the recipe will be down in the description. But what we're doing to start is we're combining our different kinds of chocolate chips. And then we're adding the milk and the cream. We'll just give it a little stir. And now we're going to put this in the microwave for a total of 2 minutes, but we're doing it 1 minute on high. We're going to stir it and then another minute on high. So let's pop that in the micro. I just microwaved this for 1 minute, and I forgot to mention you have to cover it. So we're going to give it a stir and help those morsels melt. We're just going to help them along, but I can feel that they're softer already. Let's put the cover back on. This is a cool thing. It's a food storage cover, but it locks. Look at that. How cool is that? Okay, I'll be right back. That's a full 2 minutes. Let's see how our morsels are doing. Pretty good. Pretty good. We have a couple of stragglers in there. But I think if we just let this sit for a minute, it's going to be fine. So I'm just going to cover it back up and set it aside and let them continue to melt while we prepare the eggs. So we need 1 whole egg and 4 egg yolks. So there's our whole egg. There's 2 yolks. All right. In a bowl that belongs in your pressure cooker, we're going to combine the eggs, our sugar, the salt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla paste. We just whisk these together until they're well combined and our yolks are broke. Doesn't have to be smooth, but it needs to be well combined. The sugar's still going to be grainy. Like that. All right, now we are slowly going to add this to our egg mixture, and you want to make sure it's not too hot or you're just going to wind up with scrambled eggs. That's not going to make a very nice pudding. No, it is not. Once you're about halfway in, then you can just pour it. You want to get all that chocolate in there. You're stirring it, whisking it well. I can see some flecks of unmelted chocolate. Trust me, by the time this comes out of the pressure cooker, it's going to be just fine. This is a very, very easy recipe. All right, so let's bring in the beast. There she blows. All right, my pressure cooker comes with a rack that goes inside. I'm sure yours does too. You want to cover the ceramic dish that your pudding mixture is in. We're just going to set that inside. We're pouring in 1.5 cups of water. Let me do it this way. That's good. What we're really doing is creating a bain-marie like you would do in the oven. Put the top on. And my pressure cooker has a dessert setting. If yours does not, use the manual setting and put it on low pressure for 38 minutes and go. When the timer is done, turn the pressure cooker off and hit the manual release button to let out the steam. Then you can let this sit to room temperature. I can't wait that long, so I'm going to scoop a little out now to show you how creamy it is. Look at that. I don't mind hot pudding, but you want to put this in individual bowls and then maybe garnish it with a little whipped cream and maybe some cocoa powder. It's still really hot. I don't care. It's delicious. I hope you try it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber and come back and see me anytime, because I would love to have you back here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching. When the timer goes off, turn off the... When the timer goes off, shut the pressure cooker off.
Go again.
When the timer goes off, hit the manual release button. Now,
Take it back.
when the timer goes off, turn the pressure cooker off, hit the manual release button. I can't talk. When the timer goes off, shut the When the timer goes off, turn off.
Focus, please.